The defense and aerospace technology industry has crossed a line of no return. What was once a domain dominated exclusively by Western budgets has now transformed into a brutal display of quantum engineering, hypersonics, and massive robotic automation by a new military superpower. Welcome to a tour of the most extreme, lethal, and absurd defense systems, tactical weapons, and combat megastructures on the planet, with an absolute focus on the brutal technological vanguard with which the Asian giant is redefining the laws of physics and modern warfare. Get ready to see projects that have frozen the strategy boards of the Pentagon, proving that the future of geopolitical power is no longer disputed in offices, but in absolute control of the sky, the sea, and combat algorithms. Get ready to discover the ultimate in military engineering in this countdown from 8 to 1. Number 8. The impenetrable shield of steel. Type 1130. We start this countdown by completely shattering the barriers of conventional firing speeds with a terminal defense system that looks like something straight out of a militarized science fiction movie. The Type 1130 is the ultimate line of defense for the most advanced warships in the Chinese Navy. This beast is a close-in weapon system that features a brutal 11-barrel, 30mm rotary cannon. What is truly impressive is its mechanical performance. It is capable of spitting out a wall of fire of up to 11,000 rounds per minute. Designed with an independent radar system and advanced optical sensors, the Type 1130 can track enemy missiles traveling at more than 4 times the speed of sound, robotically calculating the interception trajectory in milliseconds. A wall of lead and tungsten that opens our list, demonstrating Beijing's obsession with tactical invulnerability. Number 7. The Invisible Long-Distance Predator, CH-7. In the number 7 spot, we dive into automated airspace to analyze one of the most advanced and secretive stealth strike drones developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. The Kaihong 7, or simply CH-7, is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle that utilizes a radical flying wing design, completely eliminating the tail to reduce its radar signature to microscopic levels. Its structure and its coating of wave-absorbing composite materials are engineered to filter through the most heavily protected airspaces in the world. Equipped with internal weapons bays to maintain its invisible profile, this drone can fly at high subsonic cruise speeds and altitudes exceeding 13,000 meters, functioning as a silent assassin controlled by artificial intelligence algorithms. Number 6. The Monarch of Surface Combat, Type 055 Destroyer. Moving up the scale of heavy naval engineering, we arrive at what many international experts consider the most lethal and technologically advanced surface warship patrolling the oceans today. The Type 055 destroyer is a colossus of over 12,000 tons that functions as the iron fist of Chinese aircraft carrier strike groups. Its exterior design is a masterpiece of radar stealth, featuring clean surfaces and integrated structures. But its true power lies within its 112 vertical launch system cells. From these tubes, the Type 055 is capable of firing a devastating arsenal that includes anti-aircraft, cruise, and revolutionary hypersonic anti-ship ballistic missiles. The entire vessel is coordinated by a dual-band, active electronically scanned array radar system that can detect and engage multiple threats simultaneously across space, the sea, and the deep. Number 5. The Electromagnetic Cannon of the Future, EM Railgun. We step away from conventional gunpowder weapons to analyze one of the most ambitious and disruptive physical and kinetic development projects in Asian military engineering. China's Electromagnetic Railgun is an artillery system that uses massive electromagnetic forces instead of chemical explosives to accelerate a projectile to absurd speeds. By eliminating gunpowder, the system uses 2 conductive rails to launch a high-density projectile at speeds exceeding Mach 7. China shocked the world by becoming the first nation to successfully install a functional prototype of this cannon on the bow of a warship for open ocean testing. The kinetic energy released by the impact of one of these projectiles is so destructive that it can pierce the heaviest armor from hundreds of kilometers away, redefining ballistics forever. Before moving on with the video and revealing our top 4 with the most terrifying nuclear bombers and intercontinental missiles on the planet, tell us, do you think the West will be able to match the pace of military shipbuilding that China has right now? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, leave us a good like. It helps us out tremendously to break the YouTube algorithm. Let's continue. Number 4. The Titan of Power Projection, Type 003 Fujian. We enter the top 4 with the crown jewel of the Asian giant's naval force projection. The Type 003 Fujian aircraft carrier is a floating megastructure of over 80,000 tons that marks an exponential technological leap for the region's engineering. Unlike the country's previous aircraft carriers, the Fujian completely abandons the ski jump takeoff ramp to incorporate a state-of-the-art electromagnetic catapult system, a technology that, until recently, was only mastered by the United States. This system utilizes a brutal energy management setup based on supercapacitors to launch heavy fighter jets and reconnaissance drones at intervals of just a few seconds, maximizing combat efficiency. With a massive flight deck design and advanced propulsion systems, the Fujian is the ultimate symbol of the technological maturity of Chinese naval shipyards. Number 3. The strategic ghost of the airspace, H-20. In third place, we find the most secretive, anticipated, and strategic project of the People's Liberation Army Air Force, an aircraft designed to completely shift the global nuclear deterrence balance. The Xian H-20 is China's next-generation stealth bomber, featuring a pure flying wing design reminiscent of the American B-2. This machine is designed to fly intercontinental distances without being detected by the densest radar networks on the planet. Its technical objective is to grant China a true nuclear triad, allowing it to transport tons of conventional or thermonuclear weaponry in its internal bay thousands of kilometers away from its borders. Every detail of its design, from the air intakes to the composite materials of its bodywork, is processed by supercomputers to guarantee an absolute profile of invisibility in the sky. Number 2. The Untamable Carrier Killer, DF-17. We reach second place with one of the most destabilizing weapons in the modern arsenal, a kinetic vector that has left traditional Western air defense systems completely obsolete due to its unpredictable flight physics. The Dongfeng 17, or DF-17, is a medium-range ballistic missile that carries a hypersonic glide vehicle. After being launched into space by a conventional rocket booster, the glide vehicle detaches and travels at speeds exceeding Mach 5 within the upper atmosphere. What is truly brutal about this engineering is that, unlike normal ballistic missiles that follow a predictable curved trajectory, the DF-17 can robotically maneuver at high speed and shift course to evade enemy radars and interceptors, becoming a projectile that is virtually impossible to stop. A weapon designed specifically to neutralize aircraft carrier strike groups thousands of kilometers away. Number 1. The Judge of Doomsday, DF-41. We arrive at the number 1 spot with the most destructive, massive, and lethal weapon ever developed by Chinese military engineering. An intercontinental vector designed under standards of total deterrence that represents the absolute pinnacle of the Asian giant's strategic power. The Dongfeng 41 is a solid-fuel intercontinental ballistic missile with a brutal operational range exceeding 12,000 kilometers, allowing it to strike any point on the planet in a matter of minutes. This marvel of aerospace engineering is deployed from heavy, highly mobile multi-axle launch vehicles capable of traveling through difficult terrain and hiding in reinforced tunnels. But its most terrifying technical feature is its MIRV capability. A single DF-41 missile can carry up to 10 independently targetable nuclear warheads. Each of these warheads is programmed with decoys and individual maneuvering systems to saturate and bypass the most complex anti-missile defenses in the world. The DF-41 unifies maximum precision rocket engineering with cutting-edge industrial strength, crowning itself as the undisputed number 1 of our military countdown. And that is how the world of design, robotics, and militarized aerospace engineering are completely redefining the global geopolitical board. From stealth destroyers with massive vertical launch systems to hypersonic missiles capable of changing course in midair at absurd speeds, China's industrial force has proven that the frontiers of defense are no longer written on the maps of the last century. Today, they are conquered with technology, algorithms, and next-generation combat megastructures. If you love seeing how technology breaks the limits of the impossible and want to keep discovering China's most brutal megaprojects and technologies, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the channel's upcoming videos. Before you go, leave your comment down below. Do you think the arrival of hypersonic missiles like the DF-17 has changed the rules of naval warfare forever? Or will traditional aircraft carriers continue to dominate the oceans? I will read everyone's comments with great attention. See you in the next video.